Good morning, guys. Tim from Ohio's Life Blogs. We are videotaping today. Me and John started working on the living room, and I am now looking again. It's bad light on that one. All right, got you in the light now. I want to show you some of this work that's going to go into the home repairs side of my channel. So you stop looking at me. That I have a home improvement series in my playlist. So if you guys are new joiners, new subscribers on my channel, take the time to look at that playlist. Go to the channel. All you gotta do is really hit it where it says Tim from Ohio, my logo right there in the corner. Hit that and it'll take you right to it. Okay, don't forget to look in the description. There's other information there. If you see anything about donating money or anything like that, only do it on my channel. Do not do it unless it's on my channel, because there's people that like to happen. We all know about all that. I'm just playing that to you. But thank you to all my new subscribers. I will get to you. Here I got the lens there. I will get to you. Thank you all. Another thing I wanted to tell you real quick is that I sent a letter to talk about doing a live thing on that social media site, and they haven't sent anything back to me yet. They haven't said anything about that. I suppose you're supposed to be able to do a live stream on TikTok without having 1,000 subscribers, followers, and but you can send a letter to them and ask them about that. So I did that. So hopefully we'll get to do that maybe soon. No promises. Never know. All the dogs here having a good day, relaxing. So we've been working on this house. If you look at in the live stream at any of the other videos, that we've been working on my brother's house for a very long time here. Of course, you didn't see I'm no spring chicken. Me either. So this is what we're working on now. This has been like this for a while. So now we're putting these new panels up. It's gonna look cool. This is what it's gonna look like. It's not done yet. So all this stuff, all the seams have got to be done. There's got to be these seams done over here. We got to hang some more panels over here. Of course, we got to cut this panels out for that, and the one over there. So that's where we're at with that. Now, we just did the dining room here, did the floor, this flooring in, painted the walls, painted the ceiling. There's a wall in the dining room. So all this has been done. And then of course, we also did the same flooring in the kitchen. Okay. Cabinets we redid the cabinets. Okay. All the cabinets repainted, and also painted the ceiling. I got this pretty blue in here that we put in, and that's because people getting their hands dirty on here. but this blue, kind of like a blue or grayish color, we put that in, and we did that because to make it lighter in the kitchen. So if you paint a room, say you got a big room, or I mean a small room, you want to paint your room a light color, okay? So, and also we just did the bathroom, and had to make a special shower for my mother because she can't step high in a tub. So this way here, there, she won't fall down. Brand new toilet, brand new floor. We painted the cabinets, the mirror. We painted the mirror. What's up, guys? That's the mirror. We repainted all this, all the molding. Just redid this whole bathroom. And what you can't see is that this is a very small bathroom. So you can see that. You can see that for yourself. I mean, I just did a, you know, a turnaround, 360 in here, and you know, hopefully